consultation.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
Is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Well, seems like my internet is shitting itself, so I cannot get the Quest relay. Only one relay today.
Book, but it has so much to offer.
What the hell? They tested again! KK, you tested again! Bro! Bro! You tested twice! Twice! You fucking tested twice, you dickwads! After lots of KK hell, I was joined along with.
My mic sounds different. I'm actually wondering that's because I have a new one.
Nice. But yeah, pretty much KK tested twice. And I actually went back through the Odyssey footage. And I think the reason why they tested is because the station operator pressed the button because he said, oh, that may have happened because of me. Well, it probably did. But,
yeah, obviously. I wouldn't be shocked.
Yeah, but yeah. Double KK hell tonight. That was fun. That rarely ever happens.
Yeah, that's like a 1 in... I don't even know how many chances.
Yeah. But, yeah, guys, that's, gonna pretty much wrap up this video. There isn't anything else to say except that KK tested twice, which you do not see happen often. But yeah, guys, be sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell.
Again, eventually, I mean, what?
What?
Before it happens eventually again, I mean...
well, it probably will.
I hope it does not.
Oh, God. But yeah, guys, please be sure to like...
And otherwise, my BC 370 will be falling off again!
What? What?
Never mind.
Anyway, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Really helps me out a lot. And yeah, guys, with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.